Hey guys, today it's about time we get back on the Deetle. What do you say? Now there's not a whole lot left on the Deetle. Basically, as you can see here, we've just got the nose cone left to get put on. We've just got the bumper cover left to go on. Not a whole lot to do. So fingers crossed today goes pretty smooth. This is not going to be a how-to video. It's a bumper cover. You should be able to figure that out. Not going to show you how to do it, but you can watch me do it and maybe have a little bit of conversation in the meantime. I'm going to set you on the tripod and get to work. Cue the music.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving, I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever.
Movie magic, and it's done. What a pain in my...
About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up.
What a pain. There's a few of these pieces whenever you're putting these back together that this mount right in here, getting those brackets back together, not easy. But what I was having issues with is the hood latch itself. This thing, for some reason, seemed like it's back too far and down too low. So I have it adjusted up as high as I could get it. And I'm in there literally taking the bracket itself, the whole latch mechanism, and kind of tweaking it towards the front so that it would, allow it to not hit the back of the U-shaped mount piece. What a pain. But that's what I did all day. Had a little bit of camera issues, so not even sped up footage, but that's what you get. Hopefully the Deetle will be working now. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.
With the left hand, gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport, I'ma hit you back when my flight land. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.